So this is this here, and this here are those small sketches I did on a hike about a half-hour north of Newborough, N-E-W-B-U-R-G-H, which is about a half-hour north of Aberdeen, northeast Scotland. So that was the kind of cliffside there, and it was black and white on in my sketchbook. When I adhered it here, I added like gouache, watercolor, and so on. This seagull, these two here, there's another one here, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 sheep were among the sketches I did there. So that is the background, which I'm going to be adding this along with some footage I took on site at the time. Let's see, that was dated March 15th, 2015. This is a few miles north of Newborough, Scotland. Just for a little background history on the drawing, which fits in naturally with what Primo Levi wrote about Sandro in terms of his love for sheep, horses, chickens, cows, and so on. There's the my kind of Latin American literary magic realism done my way in terms of visual art magic realism. Horse head in lieu of Delmastro's hands. So there you have it. I don't have video footage of the hikes I took out on the Cascades with friend Reiner, but there you have it for now.